morning. So we've just had breakfast. We've got ready. I'm sorry I haven't done an outfit of the day. I will try and insert some pictures or something if I can. But we have heard rumours. Actually, let me tell you, around Stella can do a spin now. That's Stella's outfit of the day. I've got blue ears on, denim dress, and then I've got a Alice in Wonderland loungewear. I'll try and show you that. But yeah, so the plan this morning is we've heard a rumour that a certain mermaid from a certain film that's coming out today may be making an appearance in studios. So we're going to head over to studios first thing this morning and just see. We've said to Estella that, you know, we might just get to quickly see her and wave at her, because I'm guessing if she's there the queues are going to be horrendous, and I'm not sure if they'll be doing priority access with it being kind of a limited time one. So we're just going to see. And then while we're over there we might try and do Tower of Terror, Crush, maybe a few bits, but then I think we're going to probably spend most of today in park. But yeah, I'll take you with us and I'll let you know how we get on, whether we see Ariel.
Story. Bonjour. Wow, c'est nombreux.
Oh, c'est fantastique.
Allez, ciao. Hey. Salut.
Hello everyone. Bienvenue, welcome.
Wave,
Merci. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea.
Hey everyone, so far this morning, to be honest, we haven't done that much. We went and located the area where the Little Mermaid thing was happening. We waited for about an hour and a half. Loads of cast members came, shuffled us about. It's not a meet and greet. It was like a little show. Ariel came out with some dancers. Ariel didn't sing, which was a bit disappointing, to be honest. The whole show was a little bit disappointing. I thought it could have been a bit better, but never mind. Estella enjoyed it. She waited really patiently. While we were waiting, the boys went on Crush, and then afterwards Estella got an Ariel bubble one, so she's happy enough that she got to see Ariel. So yeah, the boys have just been on Tower of Terror. I'm going to do a swap over and do Tower of Terror with Hayden if he liked it, so we'll see if he liked it. But yeah, I'm gonna, it probably already be up, but I'm going to upload tonight a little YouTube video of the show so you can see for yourself whether you think it might be worth waiting for and watching. So I'm going to try and do that tonight when I get back to the room, because it should just be quick. So I'll link that below if you haven't already seen it. So yeah, I think I'm going to do Tower of Terror, and then I think we're going to move over to Park. Estella wants to go on It's a Small World. And I think we've spent enough time in studios for today. But yeah, I'll let you know what we end up doing and and where we end up going. So I went on Tower of Terror with Hayden. He likes it, so yay, that's good. We're just leaving studios now, and we're going to go head over to Park. Estella has requested It's a Small World, so I think that's where we'll be heading to first. So we're going to have the next few hours, I think, in Park, and then we'll do what we did yesterday and head back to the hotel for tea time treats, because we really enjoyed that. So I will speak to you when we get to Park.
Did you step in time?
And look at those socks there.
Me too. Would you like my blue ones?
There is it. Practically perfect. So who's the little mermaid inside the pram?
Estella. Hello, Estella.
Lovely to meet you, Estella. You're having a good day so far? Pretty sparkly shoes on too, isn't she?
That was from Walt Disney World.
Oh, wow. Very nice indeed.
And this is Hayden. Hayden celebrating his birthday.
Happy
Oh,
birthday.
happy birthday, Hayden. Did you have a lovely birthday? Yeah, did you have a birthday cake? Oh, we are quite partial to this cake. I think we'll make a lovely cake. Of course, with a cup of tea and a spoonful of sugar.
Not too much sugar.
Yes. Would you like to smash your breakfast? Yes, very much. So you having a jolly holiday so far? Yes.
Oh, he likes your ears.
That is very nice today, isn't it?
I don't have my medical.
You don't have it today? No, not today. Oh my goodness.
Is it like Mary's? They can put
Yes,
both.
can you get the kitchen sink?
Yes.
You can. Lovely, perfect. Well, should we have a jolly photo together then? Would you let us
I think so.
I think I want one of those plants. You can get your eyes from the sun.
Yeah, very smart.
It's very
Do you want a photo with me in the penguin table?
Yes. Yeah. There we go then. You can take our arm, if you like. Here we are then.
So where were we? We've just been on Small World, and we met Mary Poppins before we went on Small World. And Hayden wanted to be a big boy and go on Big Thunder Mountain on his own, so he's gone on his own. And we're just having a pod round Frontierland, and we're going to meet him outside in about 15 minutes. Estella's playing with an aerial wand, but yeah, I think probably we'll do one more thing after Big Thunder, and then we'll probably head back for a break. But I think we're going to go and try and find the pin traders and see if that's open and have a look at some pins. What? Oh, careful! I'm back again. So we went for some drink and snacks at the lounge, chilled in there for a while, went back to the room, got Estella changed because she was filthy, changed my ears, picked up all our jumpers and stuff for tonight. It's about 6 o'clock now, and we're just going to head back into studios. The aim is to do Crush. I think Hayden wants to do Flight Force again. Yeah. Hayden wants to do Flight Force again. And then after that we'll probably head into Park. We do have a reservation at downtown. It was meant to be at 10:45, but I nipped in and asked, and they got us a 9 o'clock reservation, so that's like a couple of hours early, which is really, really good. So we're going downtown tonight for dinner. So yeah, so studios, into Park for a bit, then to downtown, and then that'll be us. So I'll keep checking in and you can see what we get up to.
I knew it! You are very worthy, my record. Pour l'exemplaire été digne de ma confiance. Ben, vous aimez bien, vous pouvez l'applaudir, parce que je soutiens de toi. Bravo, jeune Fanny. Brother. All right, Kenya, one more time. Kenya, approche de la pierre de bain, s'il te plaît. Saisis bien le mire à la base. Et soulève-le.
Brother, it's my turn, then it's my group. Get in, come back. I'm explaining. Closer. Now you think.
So we've just been into park and we haven't done very much. We've had a look around a few shops. We've just been on Snow White and now we're heading up to the top of Main Street and we're gonna go and leave and go to our reservation at downtown. So I'll try and film a little bit while I'm in there. The lady that we spoke to this morning who changed our reservation said if we get there a little bit earlier it's worth checking because sometimes they have a bit of space, so I think we're going to do that. But I will definitely let you know what we think of the experience because we haven't been there before and what the food's like and whether it's suitable for picky eaters. So I will let you know.
Okay, that's why you're waiting.
Amazing, thank you.
Right, where do you want to sit, guys? Next to Hayden.
So we've just had dinner, late dinner at downtown. By far one of our favourite restaurants. The food was really good. There was something for everyone. Estella's eating the most that she's eaten all week. Hayden loved the pizza. We just all love the food. The desserts were really, really good. Obviously it does come with a bit of a price tag, but we ate at the Manhattan before and me and John really enjoyed that. And now, so both restaurants here at Hotel New York, we really like. I definitely recommend it if you could get a reservation. So yeah, we've really, really enjoyed that. We definitely like come again. So yeah, that was a really, really nice end to the night. We've just got to nip to Disney Village to the clothes store. What's it called? Disney Fashion. Because we need to go and claim our tax back from the last couple of days, and then we'll do it again just before we go. If you want to know more about how to claim your tax back, if you go to our blog page that's linked below, I have a blog post all about claiming your tax back at Disneyland Paris. And last time we did it at the airport. This is going to be the first time we're going to be claiming it back at the train station. So I'll try and film that so you can see where you use the machines for it. But yeah, have a look at our blog post and it talks you through all the instructions on how to claim your tax back on any merchandise, not food, just like shopping that you've done, and it's got to be over €100, and you've got to do it every 72 hours, isn't it?
48?
Like 48 hours, and you've got to do it before 11 o'clock, but it's all in there. So yeah, but I think I'm going to end it here tonight. We've had a really, really good day today. We're going to try and get to bed a little bit earlier. I've said that for the last 3 nights, it never happens. So yeah, thank you so much. Please like this video, please subscribe and hit notifications for the next one in the series. Thank you so much for watching and following along on our Disneyland Paris holiday for Hayden's 13th birthday. And we'll see you in the morning, guys. Bye.